So amigos, this is how I make one bowl with grain, nuts and veggies. Hola amigos, I'm Ulysses and welcome back. This is Plant-Based Masterpiece. Welcome, and what I'm going to do right now, something delicious. I'm pretty sure that I don't know what I'm gonna do, so just I picked some veggies from my fridge. That's why I'm gonna make just one bowl, grains, nuts, greens or veggies. You know, it's very easy, it's very simple. I won't use any oil, just water, quinoa. How much of quinoa is right here? It's something like 1 cup of quinoa, something between half cup to 1 cup of broccoli. Also you can use cauliflowers or there are infinities of greens that you can add it. Also this is optional, this is just one idea what you should do with your veggies, with your extra veggies. Please don't throw away, don't waste any please don't waste. So this is half cup of peas, half cup of corn, also couple cherry tomatoes. You can use heirloom tomatoes, regular tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, red tomatoes, green tomatoes, yellow tomatoes, any kind of tomato. 2 tables of almonds. Almonds. Same with walnuts. You can use pecans. I don't know. Right now I'm using 2, 3, 4. Those are very salty, not really crazy or something like very salty, but this is a little salty. There's some flowers, and also I'm using right now same portion with pumpkin seeds. 2 tables of sunflower seeds, 2 tables of almonds and walnuts. Also a little couple of leaves of parsley. You can use cilantro. What do you call it? Coriander? What else? Salt, pepper, and a little of minced onions. It's optional. Also optional that garlic, you know, salt and pepper optional. It's just to taste. I mean, you should play with your imagination and your pinches veggies. I'm gonna add a little lettuce. Do I have to toast it on oil? No. This bowl is with not oil. So let's do it. So amigos, it's time to cook my quinoa. So if you don't know how to cook a quinoa, it's very easy. It's very easy. It's just add that double portion of water. So if it's 1 cup, if I'm using 1 cup of quinoa, it's almost 1 cup. I mean, just I'm gonna use that double portion of water. There is 1, and there is another cup. So amigos, right now bring to the stove, on your stove, on something like medium to high heat. Once it's boiling, we're gonna bring low the flame, and also I'm gonna cover. So amigos, with my quinoa, I'm gonna add it 1 teaspoon of mint. Wow. Onions. 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder or granulate. Pinch of salt and black pepper. And Cesar. So amigos, once it's boiling, just reduce the heat. Also, don't forget, if you're gonna add it, I mean, right now I have corns right here and I'm gonna add it. So actually those are frozen, and I'm gonna remove a little of that water that is in there. Amigos, just remove the excess. Amigos, just remove the excess of water. Just add it. Just mix it a little bit, and let it cook. So amigos, this is just one idea. Just right now I have raw pumpkin seeds, but I'm gonna toast it. This is optional. Also, you can eat them raw, and I don't know, All is optional. Just I'm gonna toast it a little bit. Just I'm gonna toast it until those are a little brown. So amigos, I was forgetting something. How is this possible? Why you didn't say anything to me? So I'm gonna add it to my quinoa. A little of parsley. Just I'm gonna chop it a little bit and I'm gonna give it a little extra flavor. So it's time to add it to my quinoa. Ta-da! Oh my god, look at this quinoa. This bowl for sure is gonna be so delicious. So amigos, my quinoa is ready. So and right now I'm gonna cook a little bit those greens. Just boiling, yes, a little bit, so quickly. So have you seen those? Are already toasted. Ready? I don't know. Did you see them? Look at this. So amigos, this is gonna really look like the quinoa. Right now it's cooked. Oh my god, you don't. Oh my god, there is a lot of steam. But I'm gonna leave it aside, just a little cover, a couple more minutes. Once it's ready, we're gonna toss them all together. So amigos, right now I'm gonna boil a little bit my broccoli and also with my peas. If you wanna eat them raw, all is optional, but I recommend you boil it. I mean, it's gonna be delicious also. Just drop it a little bit, just a little bit, a little bit. So amigos, right now I'm gonna cut it my cherry tomatoes on 6 pieces. Who doesn't know how to cut one cherry tomato, right? Wow. So amigos, just I'm gonna rinse some cold water a little bit for to stop that cook. Nice, delicious, looks good, everything looks good. So I say that I'm gonna add it a little of greens, and why not? So amigos, right now then, once you have everything ready, right now it's time to toast it. It's very easy. This is one bowl that I used to, I already saw one video. I don't remember if it was a video, it was a picture. Just I really love it, something that I remembered a little bit. Just I tried to make it my own version. Something that I saw on internet, grain, nuts, and greens and veggies. If you want to do the whole bowl, oh my god, at least make your quinoa with parsley, onions, garlic, salt, black pepper, oh my god, and corn. Wow. Wow. Actually, this bowl is just for me, it's enough. Yes, it's enough for me. My greens, look at this color, wow. Oh my god, the onions smell so good, can you see it? Tomatoes, walnuts, sunflower, pumpkin seeds, almonds, there are microgreens. Wow. This bowl is very easy, very simple. Any person can make this bowl. Also, you can make it in less than 15 minutes while your quinoa is going to be ready. Look at this. And it smells so good. Wow, this bowl is insane. It's a lot. Looks appealing. Smells delicious. Smells so good. Amigos, it's very easy, very simple. I hope you can see it. And could you imagine how it smells this? Smell good a lot. There are different kind of flavors. So amigos, this is how I made one bowl with grain, nuts and veggies. It's very, very easy and simple. Actually, you can make with other kind of grains, other kind of veggies, other kind of nuts. All the time there are many possibilities, or there are infinities of ways to make it. There is more beyond the appealing look, more about the smell. There is beyond of that. Please play with your creativity. Please take your veggies out, bring out, and do it. Everyone can do one bowl. I mean, this is not oil and it smells so good. If can you see it? It looks so good, and actually the taste is very, very delicious.